paid $10 per test. Okay, so in this video I'll be showing you a website you can use to make money testing apps online. Okay, you can test app. Okay, just earn minimum of $10 per test. Okay, so the first website I'll be showing you here is fapection, .com. Okay, so fapection.com/tester. Become a tester on the internet, earn money by giving your opinion on mobile apps and sites. Okay, it's very easy to do. Okay, brand will create websites and apps, but they don't want to launch it out yet. They want people to test it out for them before releasing it out. Okay, so get ad, increase your skills and earn money. Okay, you get paid via PayPal and Amazon gift card. It's very easy. Okay, you make money. Okay, how does this work? You explore sites and applications using your mobile phone or tablet, send positive and negative feedback. Okay, it's not a must you send everything positive feedback. If you see an error, talk about it. Okay, when they compare the error issue, you get paid for your review. Okay, and once your feedback is reviewed by our moderators, you get paid. Okay, it's very easy, very easy. So if you want a video on how it works, you can just tap on here and watch the video. Okay, this is how you can send your feedback after testing an app. You can watch the video here. Okay, it's very easy. So to receive payment, as I've said, you need to have a PayPal or you can receive you Amazon gift card. Okay, so register as a tester within few minutes. Okay, as soon as your study matches your profile, we send you an email to ask you to participate. Okay, every month you receive your payment via PayPal, so they pay monthly. Okay, and per test you get paid $10, ranging from $10, $15 and up to $20 per test. Okay, so imagine doing 3 tests a day, that's $30 and over $9,900 per month. Okay, so you can see you can just do this in your free time. Okay, and you can see some people dropping customer testimony. Okay, and you can see they're actually making money using this website. So to get started, just tap on start earning money. Okay, so checking security network secure. Okay, you have to enter your email. Okay, when you enter your email, okay, let's just do this together. Enter your email, tap next, then you have to enter your first name, your password, then enter. It must tally with the name on your PayPal account. Okay, so you can see this in euros here. Earn 5 euros to 20 euros per study. Okay, it's very easy. So the second website here I'll be showing you is enrollapp.com. Okay, so this is here, enroll. Okay, so this one you might not really get tests. Okay, much tests, but I can't leave this out of this video. Okay, you just test apps and you earn reward. Okay, it's not very easy. Okay, so you just say that over 651,000 tests taken. Okay, so the website is nothing much. It's just a basic and simple website. Okay, so it's very easy to just get started. You can check out their sample tags. Okay, to see how it works. It's very easy. And to enroll, just tap on enroll me. You enter your email, your password, confirm your password, and you are in. Okay, so according to what I said, this is sample test. You say let's begin with question. Okay, so you can see click on where you might get some inspiration for upcoming tips. Okay, like this is a website. Okay, this is like a website. Okay, that's showing you a preview of a website. Okay, so I will go with this. Let's see. Okay, what does this page make you feel? Okay, begin question. So they're asking you what does this page makes you feel. Okay, so you just have to give your review about the website. Okay, is it nice? Is it select up to 3 option? Okay, is cool, anticipating, joy and surprise. Okay, you just have to give real review. So this is just how, okay, this is just how you will complete the review jobs. Okay, so just something like this. I have to, like, all this one is optional. I try to write something. Okay, because A moderator will review your response, and if they approve it you get paid, if they don't approve it your time is gone. Okay, so another one here is time testing time.com slash become a paid tester. Okay, give feedback, shape your the future, sign up and you get paid just by taking doing reviews, like testing apps and websites online for clients is very easy. And you can see on Google they have over 505 reviews, and Trustpilot they have over 440 reviews. Okay, and the last one here is trymatter.com, okay, slash tester. You get paid $10 per test, and it's very easy. Just enter your full name, paper, email, password, confirm password, and you get paid testing apps on Trymatter. It's very easy, okay, and you get paid via paper, and it's very easy. So thanks for watching. Do have a nice day.